Alright, we're talking to Gift PAWANDIMA.
PAWANDIMA.
And how long have you been sculpting, Gift?
Start from 2001.
2001. And who taught you?
Nyamayaro.
Okay, I don't know him. He's
Gabriel Nyamayaro.
okay. I don't know him. He must be a good teacher.
Yeah, he's a good teacher.
And you do mostly heads?
Yeah, heads and figure.
Heads and figures.
Yeah.
And what stones do you like to use?
Pardon?
What stones do you like to use?
Stones.
Stone.
Stone.
Yeah.
Red-eyed springstone.
Red-eyed springstone.
Fruit serpentine. And wood.
Okay, and you also sculpt in wood.
Yeah.
Okay, and how is business these days?
These days?
Yeah.
It's not high, medium.
Medium?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hopefully it'll get better for you.
Pardon?
Hopefully it'll get better.
Better?
Yeah. Soon business will become better.
Yeah, maybe. I think 2010.
Yeah.
From World Cup.
World Cup. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, well let's take a look. This is a piece that we just bought from Gift. This is in Fruit Serpentine. A great piece of stone. Outstanding detail. And in case you're wondering what all the background noise is, Gift works with some artists who use power tools and do animals. Hey gentlemen. Anyway, so that's Gift PAWANDIMA. Thank you, Gift.